How to sell cryptocurrency on the BitTeam platform or how to choose a seller. This can be done in various ways. First, you can choose a buyer to whom we will sell the cryptocurrency. To do this, click on the corresponding Sell menu on the main page of the site. We are looking for an online user who has suitable limits for us, is satisfied with the price and is satisfied with the payment method. By clicking on the user's icon, you can get acquainted with his rating and see the number of reviews as well as read the information that is listed here. Next, we need to click Sell and specify the appropriate amount. After that, choose the payment system to which you want to receive funds, or you can choose a new one. After that, send a request for a deal. Then we wait for confirmation from the buyer. You can check it watching at the bell icon or waiting for the page to be updated. When the user confirms the transaction, it is necessary to wait for the payment to the wallet that you specified. Be sure to check the receipt of funds to the specified account. And only after you receive the payment and the user indicates in the system that he paid for this transaction, you will have an icon stating that you can now send your cryptocurrency to this user. We are waiting for the user to transfer funds to us. The user confirmed the payment. If for some reason the funds do not arrive to your account, you need to wait. There are various delays on your various payment systems. In 59 minutes you can open a dispute. Now the funds from the user have been transferred to our account. We click Send cryptocurrency to this user and leave a review. Now we have sold the cryptocurrency and the balance of our cabinet has decreased. And in your personal account you can view the transaction history.